Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Sainsbury's Bank customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. And in the top, there is a address bar. You need to type down Sainsbury's Bank and enter it. And once you're inside the search result, you need to select this top website here. And over here, what you need to do is you need to select the support icon in the top. And from here, select this contact us. And here, select this get in touch. So over here, you can simply scroll a bit down. If you have any issue with your pet insurance, travel money, or any of the mentioned here, you can simply select this contact us. And from here, you can also scroll a bit down and you can find the frequently asked question. If you find any relatable question to you, you can simply click on the question. And from here, you can find the instruction. And if you need more help in the top, there is this virtual assistant. You can open that. And from here, you can also enter your question beside. You can simply type down a question and select the send here. And after that, you'll get the assistance from Sainsbury's chatbot. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.